Welcome back to the Jingle Garage, and today we are removing this and putting this one on. Those came out in 93 to 95 Civics, Avtec. So we're doing that. So hit like, hit share, subscribe. Let's see what's going on, right? Alright folks, we just did the valve cover. That's good. Looks pretty nice. And we're just doing some wires and spark plugs. Put some iridium spark plugs in the car. The car looking amazing. Now it's gonna go to start going to car shows and show off what you got. Like again, you can get these from 93 to 9500 Civic Avtec. Those are very. Yeah, it's gotta be a 1.6. A lot of people look for those because they're very popular. Alright guys, so we finished the car, and Adriana here made good choices buying all this stuff. But we're gonna show you finished product, right? Wheels, man, I'm loving it though. So catching up to the CRX. Next up, I guess you're gonna put bigger brake system. Oh man, look at this. We do have this in clear coat. I mean clear. We're gonna put it on that later. She's gonna buy the inside, so I can do that for her. And we gotta clean the heck out of this motor. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Looking good. Guys, if you like this, what you see here on the Delso, I know it's the basic stuff. Back when I used to be a Honda boy. Hit like, hit share, subscribe. Hit us up. Let's make this happen, guys. You know what I mean? Let's make this video go viral. She needs more stuff to her car. So we're gonna continue working on it. And I hope you like it. Here comes the rain. Right there. Alright guys, see you later. Little update. You got a B right over there. Yeah, but it's 2000. So a little update guys, I did was in the hospital for 2 days in a row. That's when my daughter was here, my mom, everybody was here. That happened because I had a stroke, okay? But you never know when life is so short that you can go away in a minute. It's done. So enjoy your family, enjoy the people you love. I love you, help you like I do. Okay, peace out, see you later. Thumbs up and like.